Girl, come on in. Let's talk about this phone case because I am obsessed. This is the Lovmooful phone case. And I know I'm a little outdated, but that's okay. They got me covered. This is the Lovmooful iPhone 13 Pro Max case. And I got it in this cute pink color. And it checks every single box for me. First of all, yes, let's talk about it. It's soft. It's flexible, and super easy to install and remove. I didn't have to struggle or worry about breaking a nail just trying to put it on. And once it's on, it feels snug and secure. Now let's talk about protection. Now I hate to admit it, but I drop my phone more often than I like to admit. But this case has cushion corners that give me peace of mind. It's got the slight heightening around the camera and screen, so even if it slips out of my hand, I'm not panicking. Plus, all of the holes are perfectly cut. Charging, buttons, speakers, it's all lined up and nothing scrapes off. What really makes this case different? The sparkly glitter edge, the cute wrist strap. Not only does it look girly and fun, but the strap is a lifesaver when I'm juggling bags or walking around. It's comfortable to wear and just makes carrying my phone so much easier. And yes, if you're wondering, you can still use wireless charging without taking the case off. That was huge for me because I don't want the hassle of removing it every single night. Material-wise, it's TPU, which means it's soft, smooth, and feels really nice in the hand. No sharp edges, no bulkiness. Honestly, it's stylish and functional all at the same time. I love how I can go from everyday errands to special occasions because it's just that cute. So if you've been looking for a phone case that's protective but still feminine and fun, this one is definitely worth checking out.